Welcome. If you're looking to stay on top of every friend request sent to your Facebook page, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable push notifications for friend requests on your Facebook page using your PC, following the latest updates. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From here, select the page you want to manage. If you have multiple pages, just pick the one where you want to enable these notifications. Once you're on your page, click on the page's profile photo. This will take you directly to your page's main profile area. Now, it's time to access your page's settings. Look for the option labeled Settings and Privacy. Click on it, and then select Settings from the expanded menu. This will bring you to the control center for all your page's preferences. On the left side, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how and when you get alerts about activity on your page. Scroll down until you find the Friend Requests option. Click on it to expand the settings. Here's the important part. Look for the Push Notification toggle. This is what allows notifications to pop up on your device, so you never miss a friend request. Make sure the toggle is switched on. Once enabled, you'll receive push notifications for every new friend request sent to your page. And that's it. You've now set up push notifications for friend requests on your Facebook page using your PC. This way, you'll always be in the loop and can connect with your audience instantly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.